Do you think our present educational system is the proper means to realize the kind of education you dream for Filipinos? Why or why not?
For what has been happening of today's educational system, I absolutely do not agree for the thought that it can be a dream of anybody to say that it is the type of education that a Filipino would dream of having. Why? Because the pandemic has already takes its place in our educational system. And we are now currently trying to adjust for the new normal and blended learning. It is obvious that most students are not resilient enough to easily cope up with the changes of our educational system, and it adds more hardships, pressures, and distractions to every student's well-being. That we can absolutely tell that the education we dream for as a Filipino is impossible to reach as of
With the
today.
advent of science and technology in society, how did it affect your outlook on achieving the best education to prepare you for the future?
In my own perspectives, science and technology brought so much help in the society, especially in terms of continuing the education we have here in our country. But we cannot still deny the fact that most students are not ready enough for the new adjustments. And not all students are able to understand all the lessons well in online learning. And this new setup is a bit expensive compared to what we used to before the pandemic era. As what Ernest Aguiemang Yuboa's context is conveying, education is not successful if the teachers and learners' capabilities to teach and learn are not achieved because of the new setup we have from the effects of the pandemic despite the interaction of science and technology in our society. Thank you.